McDonald's and Minecraft. Another mystery unboxing of a McDonald's Minecraft toy. So I've done an unboxing before and I've had Hamburglar, the Big Mac and a little Bumblebee. I think it's from the kids meal, that one. And the other two from the main meal. This one's from the main meal. So as you can see, it's sealed. Let's get it open and find out what is inside. They're a bugger to get open, which obviously means that people can't look in and get all the good ones, which I can see happening if it wasn't so security sealed, but it's very well sealed, tamper proof. I'll be right back. So we've got the seal off, and let's have a look at what's inside. Drum roll. The usual McDonald's Minecraft wrapping to disguise. And what is this? Let's get the innards out as well and see what we've got. We've got a soda potion. So if we unwrap this, let's have a little look at what it looks like. So that is the McDonald's soda potion, a little straw in there, which is quite sweet. I quite like that one. I like the graduation on the colour. Little logo, McDonald's Minecraft logo. The straw's a nice touch. Yeah, that's quite a well thought out toy thing. Doesn't really move, but yeah, happy with that. That's quite exciting.